Alright, I thought I'd do a quick update on a few stocks I had requests on, starting with BTU Peabody. I had mentioned to keep an eye on this gap fill level here, which was at 1866. Friday we pierced that level. 1862 was a low, and it did bounce off of that level here, as you can see. For next week, watch this blue line here, your 20-day moving average, currently at 1846 for support. As of right now, we did fill this gap here. It could make its way back up to these highs here at 1960. Keep that in mind. If it decides to keep pulling back, watch this next level here at 1829 for more support. Next up, AKS. Here we go. AK Steel. Looking at the daily here, I had mentioned that this stock was in a wedge pattern here, as you can see. You could have made the case for this tighter wedge in here, but last week it kind of broke outside of that, so we're going to get rid of that. The stock is still okay, the chart. It's not too bad. As you can see, Thursday, Friday, it barely missed this line here. Watch for that as some support for next week. This thing could still rally up, and which at that point we'd be watching for this line here. If this stock does fail this level here, then leave it alone if you're long, because this thing could come test this 568 level, this purple line here, that 200-day moving average. Once again, if we do fail this line here, I mean, this stock has been holding this line here since January of this year. As you can see here, here, never really closed below that level. So watch that line here. If we do decide to move up next week, watch your 20 and 50-day moving average, your red and blue line here for resistance. If it does break through that, this will be your next target up here. Alright, so I'll do an update on these two again during the week, and we'll see how these play out. Thanks again for watching.